What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here. Wanted to show you this. If you haven't seen the video, I had a flea market find. Few and far between they are. But here is one of the pieces out of it. I wanted to do a comparison, even though I showed it in the video. Whoa! Tried to run away there. Watch out. Okay, here we go. On your right, you can see different color. The inside is different. See the one on the left with the little nubs? And the one on the right will be in Austria. The one on the left, made in Hong Kong. These are the Mexican sombreros. Let's see when we put them here. See here at the top, you get out the old pointing stick. There we go. See at the top? See at the top? The molding mark there. That's another mold variation here on this one. The lemon yellow color, that will be common on the Hong Kongs. However, the Hong Kong Mexican Complete, very rare dispenser. Here you see on a 3-4 Hong Kong. That's where we got this hat here. And if you look in, if it will stop. There we go. See the little nubs? That is a Hong Kong sombrero for a Mexican PEZ Pal. And there you go. So until next time, do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below.